Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to Keto Blogging, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can display ads in the left and right section of your blog page. So a couple of weeks ago I made a video on how to make your blog page full width in Blogger website, and someone asked me how we can show ads in the left and right section of this page. So let's check how we can do that. So here I have added some ads. So you can see we have two banner ads, one is on the right side and one is on the left side. So let me refresh it again, and as you can see there is a slide in animation on this page, and you can see it is sticky on the left and right side, and user can read the content very well, and user can dismiss the ad by clicking on the button as well. So this ad will only show to desktop users and it will not show to mobile users. So let's check how we can add this type of AdSense ad or banner ads to our Blogger website. So for this, either you can directly add it on a blog page, or you can directly add it throughout your website so that it will load in every blog post of your website. So to add it fast on a single page, you can just open your existing page and paste the code like this. So as you can see, I have already added the sticky ad code here. So we have the CSS code added, and we have some HTML code where we have added the link. So here I am using the Hostinger link here, and here you need to add your image URL. So all you have to do is just upload the image. So if you let me switch to compose view. So all you have to do is upload the image and right click on it and click on copy image address, so that it will copy the image URL, and you can use that image URL here in this section. So this is the URL one. So this will show in the left side, and you can add another image URL that will show in the right side. And as you can notice that the image width is 320 pixel and the height is 640 pixel, and I have added the same size image in left and right side. So you can adjust that width. So you can adjust the width to 300, 200. So depending upon the ad size, you can set the ad size here. So make sure to use the correct width, and everything is okay. Now it will display ad like this. Now if you want to change the image, so let me go back and let me copy a different image. So I will go to pages, and I have uploaded few images here. So let me switch to compose view, and let me use a different image. So let me use this as my banner image. So I will click on copy image address, and let me go back, or let me open it in a new tab. Let's go to post, and let me click on here. Now switch to HTML. Now let me add it in the left side. So I will replace the URL here, and as you can see the width is 300 pixels, so we can change that. Now let's add another image. So let me use this image. Let's copy the image address, and let me replace the second image as well. We have set the width to 320 here. So let me select the width to 320, or I can set it to something like 300 as well. And let's update and see how it looks in the front end. So let me refresh it, and as you can see the ad is showing like this. So this is how you can add ads in your left and right side. So make sure to use some vertical ads so that it will looks better. So if you want to use this ad throughout your website, then you can also do that. So let me remove this ad from this page. Now let's go back and let's go to theme, and let me click on edit HTML. Now all you have to do is scroll down to the end of your page and search for the closing body tag, and after that you need to use a conditional tag so that the ad will load on the post page only, and it will not load in other pages like home page, about page, or any other pages or category pages. So I just want to load it on the post page. So I will use a if condition here, and after that I can use this code. So let me paste it here. Now let's copy the styling of this code as well. So let me hit enter. Alright, now this will only load in the post page only, and you can change your affiliate URLs or the banner from here. Now let me hit save, and it is saying image tag must be ending with matching image tag. So all you have to do is just add a forward slash in the image tag. So let's do that. Now let's hit save. Now let me go back here and let me go to post and let me open it here. And as you can see, the same ad is showing. So let me open any of the different post. As you can see, the same ad is showing in each and every blog post of my website. So you can also display it individually on a single post, or you can display it globally so that it will load in every blog post of your website. And you can also use different conditional tag to further filter it out, like whether you want to display it on the category pages or any particular URL, then you can also use the blogger conditional tag. I have already made a video on how to use blogger conditional tag, so I will provide that link in the description. So make sure to follow that video so that you can further customize it and display, add different rules to display on specific pages. Now we can also use the same code to display AdSense ad as well. So for this I have already provided the code in the description. So as you can see, this is the JavaScript for the AdSense ad, where you have to replace your ad publisher ID and you have to replace your ad slot code. So once you create a display ad unit, you will see these two code in your display ad unit code. So make sure to change your publisher ID and this data ad slot code in both of the ads. And as you can see, we have added a fixed size here. So the maximum width is set to 300 pixel and the height is set to 600 pixels. So you can change that height here in the styling, and you can change that width and height here as well. So make sure to change that width and height according to your preference. So by default it is taking the width of 300 pixel and the height is 600 pixel. So this is how you can use AdSense ad code in this section and display a fixed left and right side ad in your blogger website as well. So if you still have any doubt, then you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe our channel so that you will get regular updates from our channel. Thank you.